Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use an external microphone and camera in Zoom. This is especially useful if you want better audio and video quality during your meetings, whether you're using professional equipment or just a higher quality webcam and mic setup. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Zoom home screen where you can see all your meeting options. Next, go ahead and join a meeting. Once you're in the meeting, you'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of your screen. This is where all the essential controls live during your call. Now, look towards the bottom left of this toolbar and find the audio button. Right next to it, you'll see a small upward arrow. Click on that arrow to reveal additional audio settings. When you click the arrow, a menu will pop up showing you different microphone options. Look for the section labeled Select a microphone and from the list of available devices, select your external microphone. This tells Zoom to use your external mic instead of your computer's built-in one, which typically results in much clearer audio for everyone on the call. Now that your microphone is set up, it's time to configure your camera. Head back to the bottom toolbar and this time locate the video camera icon. Just like with the audio button, you'll see an upward arrow next to it. Click on that arrow to access your camera settings. A menu will appear with different camera options. Find the section that says Select a camera and from the list displayed, choose your external camera. This switches Zoom from using your laptop's webcam to your external camera, giving you better video quality and more control over your setup. Finally, it's important to test both your audio and video to make sure everything is working properly. For audio, simply speak into your external microphone and watch the input level indicator in Zoom. You should see the levels move as you talk, confirming that Zoom is picking up your voice through the external mic. For video, just look at your preview window. You should see yourself clearly through your external camera. If everything looks and sounds good, you're all set, and there you have it. You've successfully configured Zoom to use your external microphone and camera, which will significantly improve your meeting quality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.